Spec. Unit type. Starter, voltage, 12, rotation, CCW, teeth, 9, kW, 1.1, starter type, PMGR. Replaces OEM numbers, Arrowhead, SPR0008, Arrowhead, OEM, V432635, Arrowhead, OEM, old, is 9403, BMW, 12412-306-700, cargo, 111,335, JN, 410-40033, Leicester, 18,916, SOCIETA GENERALE RICAMBI, 17.8129, Tucker-Rocky, 464,021, 46-4021, VALEO, D6RA55, D6RA75, VALEO new, 432,635. Compatible with, replacement for, BMW, R1100GS 1994-1999, R1100R 1994-2001, R1100RS 1992-2001, R1100RT 1994-2001, R1100S 1997-2005, R1150GS 1999-2004, R1150GS Adventure 2001-2005, R1150R 2000-2006, R1150R Rockster 2002-2005, R1150RS 2000-2004, R1150RT 2000-2006, R1200C Classic 1996-2004, R1200C Independent 2000-2004, R1200C Montauk 2003-2004, R1200CL 2002-2004, R850C 1997-2000, R850GS 1997-2000, R850R 1994-2007, R850RT 1996-2006. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare case that it does not, well, replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket starter built to meet OEM specifications for BMW. Top reviews from the United States. Easy. Worked and fit perfectly on my 2001 R1100GS. I just replaced the nuts with copper ones. By the way, really easy job for anyone looking for the part but still on the fence on DIY.